In this video, I will show you how to set up any controller on Steam. It should be a fairly quick and easy tutorial, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So here we are, as you can see on Steam. You can do this on the app or the web-based version of Steam, but in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this on the app, but the steps are pretty much the same. So what you want to do is open up Steam, log into your account. Once you've done that, you want to come up to the top left hand corner and click onto Steam just up here, and then what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. Now once the settings window has opened up, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and come and click onto controller, and this way you can come to actually enable controllers. Now currently you can see I've got a couple of these settings changed. So this all depends on what kind of gamepad you're using. So for example, if you're using Xbox controller, you would turn this switch on here, which says enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. You can see there's also one for a Switch Pro, generic controllers, and there's PlayStation as well, which is what I personally use for Steam. And once that's done, you're good to go. You've enabled the Steam input for that specific controller. Now, once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to your games library. So come up to the top and click onto library to come to your games library. Then what you want to do is click onto the game that you want to play with a controller. So in this example, let's go ahead and select this game down here. What you want to do is right click onto the game itself and then click onto properties. And that's going to open up a window like this. Now on this window, what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto controller. As you can see in this example, it's currently set to disable Steam input. So you want to make sure you do this and click onto this drop down box and click to enable Steam input. Make sure you select that option. And what that's going to do is make the controller compatible with that game. So that is how to set up any controller on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.